Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add clickable links to Instagram posts. So the thing is that we cannot directly add a link to our Instagram post, rather we will be using a different trick, and for that you need to open up your Instagram, and after that, like you are posting something, you can just add this text in your post, like link is in bio, and then add that particular link in your bio. And to add a link in your bio, you need to just go to your profile, and after that just click on edit profile option over here, and here you will be able to see this option of links. Then just click on it, and here you will find this option of add any external link. Just click on it, and since I have already added a link from YouTube, you can add any other link of your choice and as per your requirement. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.